So I just got two new things in the mail to help me out with my soldering. I do a lot of soldering, and hopefully these will make it a lot easier for me. Full disclaimer, the products you're about to see I paid for with my own money. I did not receive any compensation for reviewing these products in any way. So I just got these two new things in Amazon today. This one is the KOTTO solder smoke absorber or fume extractor. And this goes on Amazon for $42.99 at the time I'm filming this. And the other one I got is also a KOTTO product, and it is the KOTTO Helping Hands soldering station, and it goes for $24.99 at the time of this filming. So let's open both these both up, and take a look. So the reason I wanted this is, those of you that follow my channel know I build a lot of FPV drones, and there's quite a bit of soldering when you're building those from scratch, but I also kind of picked up a side hobby just because I enjoy soldering so much, where I just started building things. Like I made this little cell phone stand here, and I made this little tower deal. I'm still working on this, but it's just a piece of art. I'm gonna do some more cool stuff with it, but yeah, there's a lot of soldering. And after I did all this here in one night, and the next morning I woke up and could hardly breathe because I did my best to avoid the fumes and kind of tucked my head out of the way, but didn't work out so well. So I looked up and ordered this. So let's go ahead and open this up. We'll do a quick unboxing. Alright, so it's got a filter on it, and a fan, and an extra filter. Instructions, but it looks like it's already assembled. I would assume we just turn it on. I don't know if I have any outlets for this. Oh, let's see where I can shove this. Alright, there we go. Let's turn this on. Let me hold this up to the microphone. It's got some noise to it. It's blowing quite a bit of wind, actually. Wow, that's not bad for what I pay. 42 bucks, I said. Let's try it out. Turn on the old Weller here. If you guys are looking for a soldering station, I've had this for 10 years now, and it's amazing. It's a Weller WES51. Excellent soldering station. The only one I would recommend. Let me find shoot. Alright, I'll just grab some wire here. If you guys didn't know, this mat you can actually solder on as long as you're quick about it. I've got some flux down here, but I have not melted this mat, and I usually run about 700 degrees. I'll grab my extra stand here. This is my cheap solder that I use for my non-electrical projects. I picked this up at Ace for a couple bucks. Nothing fancy. If you want good solder, get the KOTTO. What is it, 6337, or is it the other way? 6733? No, I don't know. KOTTO's the way to go. All right, let's see this thing suck some smoke here. I'll turn this down a little bit this way. And I can feel a very slight breeze where I'm working now with my hands. So that's nice. It's not going to get distract me. Let's say, something for measurement. Here, Sharpie marker. This is how far away we are from the fan. Let's see how it does. Wow, it is going straight in there. I'd say it's getting about, over here it's getting 100%. Once I come over here, for some reason, a little bit's kind of getting away. But it's still about 80% is probably still going in there. That is cool. That is cool. Let me, man, I wish I could get you guys closer to this. It's coming off of there. You can see it just sucking that smoke right in there. Oh, so we're also really close. So here I am about Sharpie distance again, and that's catching most of it. But it's getting away from my face, because usually when I'm working on the stuff, I'm right above it, looking down at it, inches away from it, and this is getting it off to the side rather than straight up. So yeah, I would say this is worth the money. And there's my... $5 stars on that one. Would recommend, would buy again. Ooh, I dropped a good chunk of solder on here. I bet you that'll come right up with no mat damage at all. I mean, it's on there. Yeah, nothing on the mat. This is a $20 mat at Walmart. Everyone who builds drones has one of these. 20 bucks at Walmart. All right, now we have the helping hands. Let's check this guy out. Assembly instructions. Here's my clamps, my alligator clamps. Those look nice. And my feet. Oh, wow. Oh, these are actually pretty heavy duty. They've got some weight to them. Look at that. I like that. That's cool. That's cool. So I got 4 of these. That was the model I picked. 4 of these. This was $24.99. Holy cow. Holy cow. This is solid steel. That's heavy duty. Wow. I gotta tell you, KOTTO, man. KOTTO or KOTTO does not skimp on product quality. Okay, so these little feet are threaded. And I've got 4 of them. Okay. I assume maybe I should read the directions. Screw, rubber feet, flexible. Are those? I was looking at the wrong end. Screw, rubber feet, base plate, arm. Oh boy. God, this sucker's heavy duty, boy. Alright. I'm just going to do 2 real quick. Just to kind of give you a quick review. Okay. Number 2. We'll put them on the far edge. I guess you could do either way. I wonder if you could order additional arms too. Maybe a light. I don't know. I have my own lights, but it's neat. Oh, screw in there. Are you cross-threaded? I think you're cross-threaded. Should really use a screwdriver instead of my fingernail. There we go. Okay. Ooh, chewed that sucker up. All right. So we'll just do 2 feet. We'll throw one on here for leveling. Wow, look at that. I can move these, and that base is not going anywhere. That is perfect. Totally positional. However I need it. This is cool. These alligator clamps, you can see on my little $10 deal here, take some heat shrink and put them over the jaws, one on each side, and shrink it down. That way it doesn't damage wires or boards or anything that you're messing with. And I guess KOTTO has caught on to that and given you these little rubber deals here. I assume, oh yeah, that's nice. Good deal. This is better than heat shrink, I'll tell you that right now. Okay. Oh, these just screw on. Got a little securing nut here. So I'll get these on a good ways. And then I know why they have a securing nut, because you can't rotate these. You can kind of rotate here, but you'll need to, like if I want to move this way, I'll have to loosen this nut, position it, and then tighten it. Oh, that's a downfall. But it's still a good sturdy design. Like on this guy here, to rotate these, I gotta loosen this, and then it's still just kind of hit or miss. Like you can see, this metal's already bending and warping, and this is one of those $10 deals. So I could, for the build quality, I could see past that. But man, this is too cool. Let me get one more clip on here. There's that. There's that. Man, this is cool. Okay, give me something to solder. Here is an old Betaflight F3 flight controller and PDB, back when people used to use PDBs on drones. All in one board. The original F3. I think I got this in 2014, 15 maybe. Fire up old trusty again. Well, I guess I don't really need to turn it on. We'll just do a simple test, but it's secure. There's a pretend wire. Right here, just pretend solder. Yeah, I can put some decent pressure on it. This works well. Awesome, awesome. Again, hats off to KOTTO or KOTTO. 5 out of 5 stars. Would recommend, definitely. This base, man, this is solid steel. Oh man, heavy duty. And these rubber pads are nice, and these arms are great, and these alligator clips have good bite, and they come with the 25 bucks, man. Absolutely. I'm ready to solder. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, take care.